Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster fairy tale from the wonderful world of Walt Disney. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
Once upon a time, a queen wished for a baby, white as snow. Her wish was granted, and the baby was named Snow White.
Picture 2.
But the queen died, and the king remarried. He was so enchanted by his new wife's beauty, he had no time for Snow White.
Picture 3.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? You are.
Picture 4.
The queen always scolded lovely Snow White, whose only friends were her dog, her cat, and her dove.
Picture 5.
One day, the magic mirror spoke to the wicked queen. Snow White is the fairest lass.
Picture 6.
The angry queen told her huntsman to kill Snow White, but he just couldn't do it and let Snow White escape.
Picture 7.
Alone, afraid, Snow White ran deeper into the forest till she was lost in the dark.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
A little dove led Snow White to a tiny cottage in the woods.
Picture 2.
Inside, she saw 7 tiny chairs around a tiny table. She was so hungry, she nibbled at the food.
Picture 3.
Far underground, in the same forest, 7 little dwarfs worked in their gold mine.
Picture 4.
But that night, when they got home, one cried, "Somebody has been nibbling at our supper."
Picture 5.
They crept into the bedroom upstairs. "The somebody is still here. She's more beautiful than all our gold."
Picture 6.
Next morning, Snow White told the dwarfs about the wicked queen. They insisted she stay with them and fix the house for her.
Picture 7.
Snow White made them take a happy holiday and taught them games like blind man's bluff.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
Meanwhile, back at the palace, the magic mirror spoke.
Snow White is still the fairest of them all.
Picture 2.
The angry queen poisoned an apple, disguised herself, and set out to kill Snow White.
Picture 3.
Taste this lovely apple, dear. It's not poisoned. Snow White did, and fell down dead.
Picture 4.
When the dwarfs saw poor Snow White, they wrung their hands, and tears came into their eyes.
Picture 5.
They built her a glass coffin and placed it in the forest. One day, a prince came and fell in love with the beautiful girl.
Picture 6.
The prince kissed her. She was alive again. The forest rang with the dwarfs' merry laughter.
Picture 7.
Snow White married the prince and rode off to his castle, safe from the wicked queen, and they lived happily ever after.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up